Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view messages on Amazon. Whether you're checking order updates, tracking information, or communication from sellers, accessing your Amazon messages is essential for staying informed about your purchases and transactions. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management choices. From this menu, click on Account to access your main account settings page. Now that you're on your account page, look for the option labeled Your Messages and click on it. This is your central hub for all communications related to your Amazon account, including messages from sellers, customer service interactions, and important notifications about your orders. Once you're in the Messages section, you'll notice two filtering options available in the top toolbar. These are All Messages and Buyer/Seller Messages. The All Messages option displays every type of communication you've received, while Buyer/Seller Messages specifically shows conversations between you and third-party sellers. For this tutorial, let's click on All Messages in the top toolbar to see your complete message history. You'll now see a list of all your messages displayed on the screen. Each message entry typically shows a preview of the content, the date it was received, and who sent it. To view the full content of any message, simply click on the message you want to read. This will open the complete conversation, allowing you to see all the details and any previous exchanges related to that particular topic. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed and viewed your Amazon messages, giving you easy access to all your important communications in one place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.